Hello Wayne, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, presenting a personal video for this 2016 Suzuki Bandit 1200, 36,071 kilometers, and the price is $48.88 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle is fully safety certified, comes with a brand new tires front and rear, very clean, never been in an accident, Carfax is clean. Paint is overall in great conditions. Beside the feature that extra you will receive in this motorcycle, the Vincent Leo pipe and the tank protector. Other than that is all original. Very clean motorcycle. If you wanna come take a look, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.